Woody, you know we all love you.
Back at ya! I'll be on my way then. Huh.
Everything you do brings chaos to this community. I can't keep coming up with excuses for your behavior.
I can help with that. The butler did it. I was abducted by aliens. I accidentally hypnotized myself.
I'm sorry, Woody, but you're out.
Kicked out of my own home because I do things my way? Because I create chaos?
Watch it, buddy!
What a load of malarkey! Dedicated to teamwork. Well, what do you know? I'll be home in no time. Whoa.
You've earned it.
Woody?
You're looking at a team player, Chief. Boom!